Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.
I have a Volvo 850 wagon. It's front wheel drive. Should be the same wagon from 1994 all the way to 1997. Volvo also made a few Volvo V70s, 1997-98 year model to 2000. If your vehicle is front wheel drive and you have the problem that I encountered, this little video tip would help you. Now, I lowered the fuel tank to do a repair, and on the right side US passenger front securing bolt for that fuel tank strap, it broke off on me, and I needed to access the top of it so that I can put a nut on a bolt and get that tightened down. So I removed the seats. There's a link in the description area below to tell you how to remove the seats. I had to remove the seat backrest and the lower cushion of the seat. You can remove it or fold it forward, either way. Then I drilled a hole in the floor under that right side seat, and this video will show you the exact location which would be best to drill a hole or cut an access panel in the floor so that you can get that and tighten that fuel tank strap down real good.
If you want to cut a hole in your floor to access the fuel tank receiver nut bolt area, come 4 inches back from here, right on this seam, 1 3/4 inches over, drill a hole right there, and you should be right over that receiver nut. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.